Well, the time has come to take this Skillshop exam, certification exam, that is. Before I get into it, let's recall what I learned about yesterday. We finished up the activity on AI audience solutions, which is really about just audiences in general, grouping people into audiences. There was 2 audience solution tools. We got optimized targeting, and we've got, what would the other one be? Customer match. So optimized targeting, this is largely about using audience solutions signals to get cheaper, more effective conversions, like more cost efficient conversions, and customer match. This is really about batching in people into groups of former customers, current customers, and new kind of look-alike customers. I don't know, I guess it's more about grouping them into former and existing and potentially creating a new group of customers based on these 2 groups of customers. So I think that's basically it. Yeah. Gets more optimized targeting is gets better or more efficient bidding by using audience signals to help bid on who is most likely to convert. With all that said, it's time to take the final exam. Let's see how I do. Hopefully I pass. Before I start, I'm gonna go ahead and check. How many questions it is. I wonder if it's gonna be the same as the last one or if it's gonna be shorter. This was a shorter course. This is episode 16. I think the last one took me 28. So I was a little bit faster too. It was a shorter course and I was a little faster. I've refined my learning system since we took that course. In that course, I would talk to the camera a lot more and more frequently, and now I just do it at the beginning and end of videos. So here we go. What do we got? What do we got? Yet. "50 questions. Minimum passing score, 80%. Can the test be paused? No. Is there a time limit? Yes. How many attempts? 1. Well, good luck to me. I'll see you in a second." Well, that was actually extremely difficult, it felt like. And I also didn't have access to one of the courses because it just never worked. It was adopt site-wide tagging. That was an activity that was just always locked. It wouldn't unlock, some kind of bug. But we passed it. I got an 82%, literally 2% above the passing. So there we go, I guess. Hey, well, that's it. Tomorrow we'll post it on Facebook that I passed the certification. I've got 2 active Google certifications now. To be honest, that's not easy. That Google Analytics course is not easy. I will say that. I mean, it took just under 10 hours to pass with an 82%. If they told you what you got wrong, it would be a lot easier. But they don't tell you what you get wrong. So we did it. Another certification. Learned a hell of a lot about tracking and conversions, conversion modeling, enhanced conversions, tagging, all this stuff, marketing mix models, attribution, incrementality, audience signals, audience groupings, retargeting, consent mode, first party data, third party data. I learned a lot. So tomorrow, like I said, we'll post that certification. Then we'll go and log into analytics and start exploring that. And also before starting my next certification course, I'll be getting back into Google Ads, making sure everything is running smoothly, cleaning up anything I need to. I don't think I've really learned too much more about how to improve media buying here. As far as certification course goes next, I was saying Performance Max. One thing I would like to do though is to improve like our landing pages and creatives on the landing pages and experimentation framework. So let's see what we got. We can do, yeah, I don't know, it's loading, it's always slow, but yeah, that's about 10 hours here, about 14, 15 hours last time, so almost 25 hours of actively engaging with Google Skills Shop. Not bad. So we got AI powered performance ads certification. That sounds interesting. Also looks enormous. That's bigger than either course I've taken so far. Google Ads video certification, not too necessary right now. Grow offline conversions, offline sales conversions, like it. Google Ads display, not too needed right now. Google Ads creative certification, potentially, for landing pages. Google Ads app certification, not necessarily needed. AI powered shopping ads certification, not really needed. There's no Performance Max. Is this in the AI? Maybe it's in the AI performance, AI powered performance, whatever. Ad certification. Let's see if there's Performance Max. Yeah, that's all Performance Max. There's other courses that don't have certifications, so those are interesting as well. But yeah, we'll call it good for there. That's it for today. Talk to you later. See ya.